Hi guys, Nafisa here for AskIfa.ng, and guess what phone I've got here? It's the TECNO Phantom 9. Yes, the Phantom series is back. After the last Phantom 8 was released, that was roughly 2 years ago. Now TECNO has brought back the Phantom series with the Phantom 9. An interesting fact, guys, it has in-screen fingerprint. We'll find out if this lives up to expectation. Before we get into the review proper, let's check out what's in the box. Phantom 9 is a direct successor of the TECNO Phantom 8, which was launched back in 2017, while the 9 was launched on July 4th, 2019. Now guys, one interesting feature on the TECNO Phantom 9 is the in-screen fingerprint scanner, which I think makes the device a lot cooler. The specifications include 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 1080 by 2340 pixels resolution. The device has a U-shaped cutout, making the display a 19 by 5 by 9 aspect ratio. The Phantom 9 seems to be checking the box in terms of all things cool, and the beauty of this device is how lightweight it is, weighing just 186 grams with dimensions at 185 by 75.3 by 7.85 millimeters. The Phantom 9 runs on an Octa-core MediaTek MT6765 Helio P35 clocked at 2.35 GHz. And let's not forget the AI technology. The Phantom 9 comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. As regards the camera, the Phantom 9 comes with 3 camera sensors at the back. 16 megapixels main sensor, a 2 megapixels depth field lens, and 8 megapixels wide angle lens. I was quite surprised with the front camera though. It stands at 32 megapixels. The selfie camera also comes with a dual LED flash on the bezels, so taking pictures with the Phantom 9 will be thrilling. Now, of course, the device is 4G enabled with a battery of 3500 milliamps and runs on Android 9.0 Pie. Now, you've certainly been itching to see pictures and videos I took with the Phantom 9. Well, here it is. I also included pictures from the Phantom 9 launch.